Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. Coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to click the bell notification if you'd like to be notified of when I go live critiquing other cooking videos. Okay, all that YouTube stuff out of the way. Today, we have a New York strip steak with a bourbon cream sauce. As you can see here, I have a frying pan with some veggie oil in it. And we're going to season these up, kosher salt and pepper. Don't worry too much about over-seasoning it because, again, we lose a lot when we flip. Speaking of flipping, the best way to do for a medium rare is really simple. 2 minutes, flip, 2 minutes, flip, 2 minutes, flip, 2 minutes, flip. If you want to go to, let's say, medium, 2 minutes, basically an additional set of flips. If you want rare, it's just 2 minutes, out. After that, we're going to pull our steak, let it rest, cut it diagonally. Oh, and before I go, if you want well done, what is wrong with you? So, yeah, basically, let this go for 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Rest, cover, and let's make the pan sauce. All right, the pan sauce is really easy to do. Same pan you cook the steaks. They're resting comfortably. You want 3/4 of a cup of bourbon. Add that, and then you want to kind of move this around and light that on fire. Always make sure to burn your kitchen down while you're cooking. It looks scary, but really it's just the alcohol burning off. It doesn't burn very long. It doesn't burn very hot either. I'll be blowing it out in a minute. I did kill the flame, and boom, it's out. So, yeah, all right. I want to give this about a minute, 2 minutes before we add some other ingredients. All right, I let mine cook about an additional minute. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon and a half of minced garlic, followed by a teaspoon of soy sauce. And then I'm going to let this cook for about another minute, 90 seconds before we add our final ingredient. After about 60 seconds, we're going to add the final ingredient, which is 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. And then you just want to stir this frequently and cook it for at least 2 minutes. But if you want your sauce to be thicker, obviously, cook it for longer. I was kind of going for a thin sauce. So, yeah, by when the sauce is done, our steak should be rested and ready for cutting and ready for service. All right, we have our steak at a beautiful medium rare. Now just drizzle over some of that bourbon cream sauce that we made. And that's really it. New York strip steak with a bourbon cream sauce. Done.